I'm Ben. I'm Agnes's fiance. She brought me here 4 years ago to see Dr. Ray. I had suffered a couple bad car accidents and then was able to see with Dr. Ray, get the adjustments, start making, showing me how the spine was out of alignment and how through the adjustments and through the home health care and all the different uh, aspects and things that he does in his office, was able to start with the process of getting the spine more straight, stopping with the bad headaches and all these different things that happen after car accidents.
I've been with Dr. Ray for about 10 years, and when I first came here, it was just for wellness. I had done a lot of exercise and stuff, and I thought I was fit. But then shortly after I had a couple of car accidents a month apart, Dr. Ray was able to help me get back um, into motion and doing what I was doing beforehand with jazzercise. But then when I had the other accident with Ben, it was significant, and it took us back quite a bit. Since then, Dr. Ray has got us moving again like we were before, has you feel like a family, and he gives you suggestions on therapies, nutrition, and how to move forward.
He does everything to make you better. And then he also has seminars to sit down and teach you of how to keep your brain healthy.
Yes, because as you go on, not only are you first treating what you feel it seems to be the most important thing to you, whatever's hurting you at that point. Once you start feeling better, then you need extra guidance in nutrition and how to move forward, and maybe some underlying effects that you hadn't even noticed that's wrong with your body. And the healing continues and keeps you, but you have to maintain it so you keep coming because you feel great.
Give you an example, I have a very bad restless leg syndrome, and my legs will kick at nighttime, like I'm feel like I'm running or something. But Dr. Ray suggested a certain biotic to take, a healthy thing, a healthy biotic pill, and started taking it, and now the legs do not kick anymore at
That's
nighttime.
very true. I can testify to that. I would encourage people to get in and get treatment right away because you will see the difference. You will feel the difference. You will feel the difference the minute you are adjusted. And just being in the environment itself is uplifting.
Everybody in the office has a positive attitude, and they're all here to help you make yourself feel better. So, by all means, come see Dr. A, and he will make you feel better.